Here is a detailed article on the topic of how to grow your YouTube channel. The first step to growing your YouTube channel is to choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you've chosen a niche, you can start creating videos that will appeal to your target audience. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, you could create a channel where you share recipes, cooking tips, and food reviews. Or, if you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, such as history or science, you could create a channel where you share educational videos. When choosing a niche, it's important to consider the following factors. Your passion. What are you passionate about? If you're not passionate about your niche, it will be difficult to create engaging content. Your knowledge. How much do you know about your niche? If you're not knowledgeable about your niche, it will be difficult to create accurate and informative content. The competition. How much competition is there in your niche? If there's a lot of competition, it will be more difficult to stand out from the crowd. Once you've considered these factors, you can start brainstorming ideas for your YouTube channel. Once you've chosen a niche, it's time to start creating high-quality videos. This means using good lighting, sound, and editing. It also means creating videos that are interesting and engaging. If you're not sure how to create high-quality videos, there are plenty of resources available online. You can find tutorials on how to use video editing software, how to improve your lighting and sound, and how to create engaging content. Here are some tips for creating high-quality videos. Use good lighting. Poor lighting can make your videos look unprofessional and unappealing. Use good sound. Poor sound can make your videos difficult to watch and listen to. Edit your videos carefully. Editing can help to improve the flow of your videos and make them more engaging. 4. Create interesting and engaging content. Your videos should be interesting and engaging to watch. 4.1 This means choosing topics that your audience will care about and presenting them in a way that is informative and entertaining. Once you've created some high-quality videos, it's time to start promoting your channel. There are a number of ways to do this, including sharing your videos on social media, promoting your channel on other websites, guest starring on other YouTube channels, running contests and giveaways. The more people who know about your channel, the more likely they are to subscribe and watch your videos. Interact with your audience. One of the best ways to grow your YouTube channel is to interact with your audience. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and host live Q&As. When you interact with your audience, you build relationships and create a sense of community. This will make your viewer more likely to subscribe to your channel and watch your videos. Be patient. Growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't expect to become an overnight success. Just keep creating great content, promoting your channel, and interacting with your audience. With time and effort, you'll be able to grow your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. Here are some additional tips that may help you grow your YouTube channel. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions. Optimize your videos for search. Create playlists of your best videos. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Run ads on your videos. Promote your channel on other websites and social media platforms. Stay up to date on the latest YouTube trends. Have fun. Growing a YouTube channel can be a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. If you're passionate about creating videos and sharing your knowledge with the world, then YouTube is the perfect platform for you. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your channel today.